Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to make flowchart with Chatgpt. First, open Chatgpt on your PC and then type in create a flowchart for the topic you want to make. Wait for Chatgpt to finish generating your flowchart. After Chatgpt is finished generating your flowchart, copy its work and then open a new tab. In this new tab, type in Plant UML Online and then paste Chatgpt's work. Click on Submit and then wait for it to finish your flowchart. And there you have it! You have now successfully made a flowchart with Chatgpt. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!